Hi, this is Sidhu. I've helped over 10 teams build and launch a startup. And building a startup has never been easier than before because of AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how I convert an executive document into a pitch deck all with a single command. You can convert any document or any ideas into a beautiful PPT just by following this single video. So for us to be able to generate PPTs, we need to first have this skill, which is front-end slides. And then awesome-design.md is optional. So let me show you what this actually is. So I can go here, and this is the skill. You can easily put this into your Claude code or Claude desktop or anything in general. And there is also a video of how this works or looks like. And I can give a brief about how this works as well. If I go to skills.md, it's basically having different slide types. And then the AI is able to learn from this markdown about how the slide should be present. So it's having some regular rules like don't make it too wordy, don't make it too much of bullet points, just keep everything, beautifully presented. So it has a nice planning phase and then, different steps, ask questions to the user, get mood and get design, all of the things that, an AI should be doing before making any PPT in general. And then the second important skill is awesome-design.md. This has a huge collection of different kind of website designs or company designs, brand designs. So I can show you how this looks like. Let's go to all designs. And this is containing all the designs from different companies that you can use. So if I click on Airtable, and this is how an Airtable design would look like. And what I can do is basically copy this entire CSS or content to tell my Claude or AI agent how the design should look like. I really like this design, which is Vault Agent. I think it looks really clean, it looks really beautiful. So I can simply go to design.md and then I can copy this. Before we start creating the designs, let me go ahead and show you the Claude setup. So all you really need to do is type this command in whichever directory you want. So all you really need to do is go to your Claude instance and then copy this command. So these two commands and install them. I have already installed them. So when I run this, it's going to say that it's already installed globally. So you can use this. Once it's installed, I can start prompting my AI to use the existing document that I have. So I have a document here, the executive summary, and it's basically Battle Pigeon Industries is a vertically integrated defense technology company. It's just some randomly made up thing, just making it hilarious so that I can do this demo. So I can go to Claude. I can simply type the slash command, which is frontend-slides. And after this, I want to tell the AI Claude that it needs to read my file. And here I'm just going to paste in the design document that I am able to get from here. So I'm just going to copy this. So in theory, it should look like this end of the day. So I can come back to my Claude instance. I can paste it. So just telling it to keep a dark theme. So I'm just giving it like one more line, which is it's a pitch deck for YC. Let's see how AI does. So I think it's just going to ask me a few questions. I'll pause the video right here. I just accept everything and then get back once the deck is completed.
A few moments later.
So the Claude has completed the slides and this is how it looks like. So it's following the theme that we given it. And I had to go back in and do like 3 more follow-up prompts. So one prompt, I'm just saying that there is a lot of overcrowding in the page. I just want you to polish it up and then just think about the layout in general. And then the second prompt is basically that, some pages doesn't have any visuals or animations or anything to it. They are text oriented. So those pages, I asked Claude to basically add some animations and then tell the story visually. And then the third prompt, I just told that some of the animations are broken and then I want you to fix it. So after these 3 prompts, this is what we have. Battle Pigeon Industries. So this is a complete joke industries. So don't take this seriously at all. This is just to demonstrate Claude's capabilities. A vertically integrated non-jammable tactical comms layer. And that's why we have PigeonNet, a tactical mesh that won't show up on radar. So again, this is a complete joke. This is generated by NanoBanana. So if you have Claude, Claude is really good at writing prompts for NanoBanana or image generation models. So Claude will automatically do the image generation and add it to your presentation. Again, few more images of how this works, and then you have the features, you have the hardware capabilities, etc. And again, some more images. You can ask Claude to generate 4 or 5 images prior to doing the PPT. And then the Claude will do it and you'll have good images. Now, coming to the part where, in the second prompt, I just told that I would like to see some animations and see some visuals. Claude has done its best to create some animations and visuals here. I really like these animations. And then you have, your regular things, so such as like Song, Sam, and Tam. And you have few more animations here. And then that's about it. So this is the slide. You have your team, you have the financial tables, and then you have your race or the ask. And this is the conclusion. So this is how you can generate really high quality slide decks using Claude's skill, front-end design skill. And you can pair the skill with NanoBanana models, with MCP servers, with a lot of other tools as well. And that's how you can really fine-tune your slide deck and presentation. And you can continue to use a design document. That way you can create a design document for every single presentation that you are creating moving forward within your organization for your branding, for your marketing. And I hope this kind of helps and gives a good idea of how you can design or build slides with Claude. It's also easier to convert this into a PDF document so that you can share it and also have it presented in a conference or something as well. You can just prompt the AI and it will do. I hope this kind of helps. I will see you in the next one.